Welcome back to Nothing to Do Crew. It's time for another pixel project, and today we're going to be building the legendary NES Zapper gun. Let's check it out.
Seriously?
So in 1985, the Nintendo Zapper gun came out, and it was looking super cool, kind of like a futuristic ray gun. But then in 1988, the Fed said that we can't have fun toys anymore. So they slapped this silly looking orange color on it, and this is actually the version that I played growing up. So this is the one that we're gonna make today. So before we get started, pause. Come on, we lost our power. Before we get started, pause the video and print out this pattern, or download the ebook from the link below. So the first step is to count out your blocks. 1, 2, 14. So I was really excited with how this turned out. Then I go over to the gun, everything's looking great, and then I found a moth in here.
Oh, no.
So I flicked him off, and it doesn't look like he did too much damage. I'll try and wipe that off. I could sand it and go back over it, but it's actually not that bad. So I think I'm just gonna leave it for now. If I ever epoxy another project, I'll get back to it. And once it's done, it's time to hang it up on the wall. This thing looks so cool. So since this is our 5th pixel project, I didn't really go into too many details in this video, So if it's your first time here, make sure you check out that ebook or go back and watch some of our other videos. That way you can see the full process. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know in the comments what you guys think we should build next. And we'll see you guys next time.